On her unending quest and trackless centuries are filled with the striving and the grandeur of her success and failures. Through good and ill fortune alike, she has never lost sight of that quest or forgotten the ideas which gave her strength. A very good morning, Honorable Director Sir Dr. Shrikant Nair, Academics Director Dr. Rachna Nair, Respected Principal Ma'am Ms. Harvinder Kaur, Vice Principal Ma'am Ms. Manjula Kumari, Headmistress Junior School Mrs. Nilama Samuel, and all the teachers present here. Today is one of the most important days in the history of our nation, the 72nd Republic Day. The Republic Day this year is relatively a quiet affair due to COVID-19 pandemic, but there is nothing that can stop national pride. Display of grand military on the Republic Day parade reminds us that the security of our territory's sovereignty is the outcome of many sacrifices. It also reminds us of our struggle for freedom based on sacred values enshrined in the Constitution of India. On 26 January 1950 to 1935, to the fundamental governing document of India. It took 2 years, 11 months and 8 days to form the Constitution of India, which finally got completed on 26 November 1930. It was drafted by a committee of 389 members under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Every citizen of India is a pillar on which the legacy of the Republic of India stands. We all must together progress and prosperity. May this Republic Day infuse each and every heart with great spirits and love for the country. Jai Hind. I now invite on stage Ms. Lily and Avinash Sir to inspire the audience with the song. It's an honor to invite on stage our Director Sir and Ma'am to unfurl our national flag, and I request our Principal Ma'am to escort us to the stage.
भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मागे, गाई तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
It was probably in standard 8 when I was introduced to the Constitution of India, when my history teacher taught me, we the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Every single time I read this, I have goosebumps. No finer words were ever written anywhere in any land, in any country that supersedes these words. When you read that, you realize the amount of effort that has gone into planning and executing the idea of India. And every single year, by these celebrations of 26th January and 15th of August, we try to reinforce that idea of India. This past 1 year has been a difficult one for all of us, but it's behind us. We were at war not just on one front, on many fronts. We were at war from within the country with the COVID-19 virus. We were at war economically with the displacement of all the migrants and the layoffs of numerous people. We were at war at the heights of Ladakh and Sikkim triumph. We have triumphed each and every single adversity that has come our way. And today India has shown the world the strength of character and the strength of its country, its forces and economy. We are now providing vaccines free of cost to the entire neighborhood and to the world as well, where demand has come from. And the world is now realizing that the Indian vaccine supersedes and is better than the rest that has come about. With 2 vaccines coming from our country and 2 more in the pipeline, we are showing the robustness of our industry. And this could not have happened without the vision and execution of the founding fathers of our country. And special thanks, whenever I think of that one man, because of whom the way the country is today is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. And I think from this year onwards, we should have special celebrations on his birthday, because our country deserves more people like him so that it can take it forward and bring it out of the depths of darkness that a lot of people of our country still reside in. As teachers, you have to pass on this message to the children. And do not let the idea of India ever go down. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day again. Thank you all so very much.
Thank you, sir.
Vande Mataram. Esteemed teachers and my dear students, wish you all a happy Republic Day. Today, we are all gathered here to celebrate our Republic Day. On this auspicious occasion, I extend my heartiest greetings and good wishes to you all. We need to be grateful to the founding fathers who formulated and drafted an exemplary Constitution of India that has steered India towards progress and development. Now, we are the citizens of this great nation, and you children are the future citizens of the country, need to rededicate ourselves to build a stronger and developed nation. Let us celebrate this special occasion by remembering all those who gave India such a strong constitution. The future of India is in your hands, and therefore we wish that you always fulfill all your duties and responsibilities as a citizen of India to build a stronger and developed nation. Stay safe. God bless you. Thank you so much.